Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a slime video for you guys today, but before we move on to that, I just want to let you guys know that I do have a new uploading schedule. I will be uploading twice a week now, and I will be doing slime tutorials. You will see those videos Friday through the weekend whenever I can get them up, and you will be seeing my regular videos probably Tuesday or Wednesday. So look forward to my next video, which is going to be on phone photography hacks. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's get on to the video. So this is a tutorial on how to make base slime. So this is my recipe on how to do it. It is a 3-ingredient recipe. So first off, you're going to want to add your glue. I suggest using white PVA glue. Well, you need to use PVA glue or it won't work. Uh-oh, what's happening? Oh, the lid was stuck on. So yes, white PVA glue. I'm using Elmer's glue. And then my secret ingredient for this is conditioner. I am using the Aussie brand, if you can see it. Yeah, but any brand will work. This makes the slime super stretchy and glossy. Then all you're going to want to do is mix that up. One thing I find really strange with this recipe is that it almost slightly activates it. It starts to clump up when I mix it up. I'm so sorry, my camera just stopped again. But you are gonna just mix that all up, and as you can see, it's a little bit grainy looking. I don't know if you can tell with the camera and this lighting, I'm sorry. Now after you've mixed it really well and it's super smooth, you're just gonna go ahead and activate that. I am just using borax. Any activator will work, but borax gives it the best texture, so I just suggest using that. And then continue mixing and you will see that your slime will start to harden up. You want to mix it super well and be super careful not to over-activate. Once your slime looks like this, you are almost done. This is the part where you want to be super careful not to over-activate it. So when you add borax, add the smallest amount so that you don't end up with hard, failed slime. And once it gets hard to mix like this, you're going to want to go in with your hands. It's going to be a little sticky, but that's just how it works with making slime. You're just going to knead it around in there, adding little tiny bits of borax. So here is the finished slime. It is super nice and stretchy, really thick and super glossy because of the conditioner. You don't need to add baby oil to make it glossy. The conditioner does it for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Be sure to give this video a like and comment down below any slime recipes you'd want me to try out or do. So guys, bye. Just kidding, it's not sticky.